this week I've made a bit more progress. I have a cube model loading in, which I've managed to get it so there's a specific text file format, so I could end up loading in any model eventually. I just need to convert it to that text file. And I just did a cube because it was simple at the moment, which again is all textured and lovely. I've got everything rotating, so the world matrix itself is rotating. At the moment I am working on the input for the camera, because currently you can't rotate, but it does pick up what button is being pressed, which I just need to figure out where I believe basically that I'm missing a function call or something somewhere, so that probably won't be too hard to fix. It's mainly because there's quite a lot that it all links into with the camera and everything, so but all the code for rotating the camera I've got in. Next week I think finish off the input to get the camera rotating, look at getting a ground plane in and start with the collisions and things like that.